Hey rock stars, welcome to TechHeart. I got two packages tonight that I want to share with everybody. It was kind of neat actually. I got this package in the mail and I thought it was the package I was waiting on. But I was surprised. I'm going to open it up and show you. This came from my good friend Rain Man. He's the sysop of Never Neverland BBS. And he mailed me out this device that I need for the Dolch computer. And some of y'all will know what it is real quick. We're gonna give the Dolch some sound, baby. That's an AWE-64 card. It's the CT4520. And that's gonna be our sound for the Dolch computer. We're gonna throw that puppy in there. And at a later date, we're gonna install an amplifier and a small speaker so that the Dolch luggable has sound. As some of you know, it came as a network sniffer. It was an appliance back in the day. So it didn't have a sound card or anything like that. And we're going to change that joint. But I got another package from Dasher Deals. A guy that makes Gotek devices. And this is one of the nice Goteks. It has the potentiometer, which is really nice. And it's just like an updated Gotek. It still has the two buttons over here. You can put your USB device in, and it has an OLED screen. So, we're going to install these devices in the Dolch computer. I'm going to spin over there, and I won't be talking on that feed, I don't think. I'm just going to do a time lapse, or not a time lapse. I'm just going to, speed it up and show you guys hopefully the install of these two bad boys, a SoundBlaster AWE and a Gotek. So let's get it rocking, man. The Dolch Pit Viper 535. It's our video card. This is not a part of the frame, but it makes it a lot more rigid. And when you remove these two screws, these things kind of move like this. I want to get to this disk drive. I remember I can kind of pull the power supply out. You kind of have to move these though, but let's just get in there. I can remove these two and the power supply kind of drops. So I think I'm going to remove these first and see if I can wiggle the drive out without messing with that. But I don't think I can because of how compact this system is. Now, we need our video. Maybe I should have left that off a little more. But we got to get our video card back in, which might be a little fun, but we'll get it. This will go back on. I hope it goes over the Gotek, alright? Look at that, it looks great, guys. Cool, it looks really good. Okie dokie, Smokey. Got our extra thing from the old SoundBlaster. Got our old disc. Take care of that in a moment. Push those over there. Okay. So that looks good to me. I'm going to button it up because I kind of have faith. I don't know why, but we're going to try to just go with it. Okay. Good. Okay. All right. So that actually went pretty good, and I'm going to take you on just a walk around, no big deal. I'll show you that the Dolch is all buttoned up here. Oh, we can take a look at that Gotek. I like how it looks. I like this upgraded, better model. It's not exactly, there's some gaps there, but nothing wild, and I can play with that next time I have her out. Try to get her a little centered, but, you know, I think WYSIWYG, you know? What you see is what you get. We'll have to install the software for our SoundBlaster, but she's in there, good. And we'll get her fired up and see what we got. We'll get some drivers installed. Word. All right, here we are. We have this CTCM software. It's like the SoundBlaster diagnostic software, I think. Let's do an install. This program installs Configuration Manager on your computer's hard disk. All right. Trying to get this SoundBlaster up. I install all of my application software to drive D, so let's get that changed. D CTCM. My Windows 3.1 is at D:Windows, and my boot up drive is C. Okay. Config sys and autoexec bat are in C. Install all software to D and let it mess with config and autoexec in C. So we're going to press enter to go. We're going to do its thing. Okay. In autoexec, it's going to change set CTM to the, or CTCM to the D CTCM directory. And I think that CTCU is probably some kind of software that loads drivers for Windows, or I don't know what it does. But anyway, and it's also loading CTCM.exe, which hopefully is the SoundBlaster drivers. I'm not certain. Install will now run CTCM to prepare the PNP audio card for use the first time. Great. I don't have speakers hooked up, but hopefully it'll just see it. All right. We're going to return to DOS, and we need to reboot. Okay, let's reboot. It said, found creative plug-and-play card, creative AWE-64, baby! Successfully configured 3 of 3 creative plug-and-play devices. Yeah! Really rock star! All right, CTCU, I don't know what that is, but let's run it. Baby! Configuration utility, mother lover! PNP cards, we got a creative SoundBlaster. Yeah! And we got audio game port and wavetable, boy! All right, ladies and germs, let me zoom in for you. let's go see if we can't get into Doom and try to set it with that 225.1 setting that we thought might be right, and see if our SoundBlaster is going. Select music card. SoundBlaster, baby. Port 220. Sound effects card. 220. 5, 1, 3. All right, can we test? No, just gotta save and wish for the best. I don't know if we got it, but let's giggity go. Oh, I don't hear anything. I heard it pop. Oh! We're alive! We're alive! Yeah, boys! We're alive, dude. Oh my goodness, it sounds wonderful! All right, so we have got a working sound card, yeah? Really Rockstar. Oops, I missed the chainsaw. All you Doom rock stars will be yelling at me right now. But I don't care. I want to go. Okay, guys, I'd like to take you on to the next part, which is the Gotek. So, we have our Gotek drive. I've added a USB. You have to format that to FAT32, and you can throw any .image or .ima files on it. However, I did find one issue. I installed that sucker so quick that I forgot to change the jumper settings. And I'll put on screen the jumper settings that you need to set for a PC or MS-DOS install. At any rate, we are all ironed out now. And I have Norton on there. It's a silly little thing, but we'll install Norton just to show you. We can go to the A drive. Oops, it's not going to show us. Let me see here. If you see there, that's the Norton install disk 1. And so when we do a dir on that, we will see that .image file. And we can run install. And that should pull up the Norton installer. So I just wanted to point this out. We're installing Norton Desktop 3 through the Gotek, and it's gonna find a virus. Are you ready for that? I'm ready for that. Let's get it. Change that to drive D. That's where we install our joints. Boom. We're gonna find a virus. Let's get it. Oh, look at that. A strain of the virus Oscar has been found in the file C. Download hardcode 65536-471. Gustatio. Gustatio was a bad boy. Okay. Let's go to second reel. Oops. The best demo in the world. And we want sound card. Oopsies, hold on. Try another sound card. Okay. SoundBlaster Pro Stereo. Ba-boom! Sound quality high, mother lover. Oh my god! I'll let y'all enjoy it for a moment. Sorry about my camera skills. I gotta turn that down. There we go, that's a little lower. Yeah, boy! Yeah. Let's get it! All right, rock and roll, you guys. Thanks for coming along with me, upgrading the Dolch, and then seeing what it can do with a SoundBlaster and a Gotek installed. Makes installing software a lot easier. The SoundBlaster sounds a lot better than a PC speaker, baby. And that Dolch PAC system is just a really cool retro form factor. You know, you put your keyboard up, it's in one little box, and you go on your way. Thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. There's an article about the Dolch. You can see more of the insides and what it has at techheart.life. And I'll put the link on the screen. Thanks for coming along with me, guys. Y'all have a rockin' weekend.